In the fashionable Bank District in London, guests are arriving at the Foster & Partners designed landmark, 30 St Mary Axe, also known as the Gherkin. A festive event is taking place. Two international companies are celebrating their big achievement attained through a fruitful co-creation process, something never done before by either of them.
We are here to launch a brand new skylight concept which we at VELUX have developed together with Foster & Partners from London. We are delighted to launch this new concept here in London.
For 70 years, the VELUX Group has focused on bringing daylight and fresh air through the roofs in private homes, and is a market leader as such. The renowned architect firm, Foster & Partners, has designed numerous spectacular buildings around the world, and like the VELUX Group, is always focusing on utilizing the light and energy of the sun.
For us, it marks a strategic step into an entirely new business area. What we know from the residential area is now being transferred into big buildings, offices, shopping malls and hospitals. This is a fantastic opportunity, so we think that's worth celebrating.
More than 150 special guests have arrived from 8 countries in Europe and the US. These are the markets where the new skylight system already has been or will be launched. Most guests are architects, and they are rather impressed by the result of the co-creation process, the new VELUX Modular Skylights.
Firstly, it's a perfect example of what could be and should be the collaboration between industrial and architects. Because architect is not only a question of form and designing, it's a question of intelligence and how to build and how to find.
Although it's still early days for the marketing campaign for VELUX Modular Skylights, 50 commercial buildings such as hospitals, schools and company headquarters are already in line to have the system installed.
I think the problem could transform the market if you can work out with the span of this composite material.
It shows that it's a product of its time, and that is what I think is attractive about it.
With the fabulous view from the 40th floor as a backdrop, the guests listen to how the two companies, the VELUX Group and Foster & Partners, complement each other. They both have a mission about bringing daylight into buildings. And while VELUX is an expert in designing roof windows, Foster & Partners knows architects' needs.
I mean, we are daylight engineers, and Foster & Partners are world-leading in design, and they also know a lot about constructions and so on. So there are so many things we've got out of this co-creation.
But it needs more than one person to actually bring together solutions. So the idea of collaborating, expertise, specialist skills, generalists, bringing all that together is really the only way forward to solve our problems.